Trying to lose belly fat but always feels like snacking ruins your progress. Today I'm going to reveal my top 5 snacks that I use to help me stay lean whenever I'm on a diet and helps me control that belly. So this video is for all you fatbacks that stay up late at night snacking on chips and ho-hos. Goodness gracious, guys. And listen, guys, make sure y'all stick around for snack number 5, as this is my secret go-to whenever I'm trying to really burn that fat and get a flat stomach. Let's get straight into it. So for snack 1, have you guys ever had Greek yogurt? Guys, Greek yogurt is bomb, okay? It's super high in protein and it really allows you to feel satiated, so that way you're not feeling as hungry throughout the day. I look at yogurt as a treat, so I highly recommend tapping in with that, guys. So that way you're still getting your protein in, but it's also very low on the sugars. Also, guys, Greek yogurt is really high in fiber. So that's gonna really help flush out your system. Cause I realize, man, a lot of y'all nasty, man. A lot of y'all are backed up, okay? And this is why you're feeling stuff and you guys have a lot of toxins and waste, guys. You need to have more food that's really high in fiber so you can help get rid of all the toxins. And also, guys, Greek yogurt is also really good for inflammation. I don't know about you guys, but I'm training. Me and my boy Johnny B was working out crazy, man. We've been really crushing the legs, crushing the stomach, the abs, the chest, everything. So guys, I'm always constantly sore, okay? That's why I really make sure I implement things such as Greek yogurt, and I make sure I implement water, and just make sure I'm flushing all the toxins and all the inflammation out of my body, so that way I can recover faster. So just by incorporating that nice healthy snack, you're gonna notice that you're not gonna feel as sore after you finish doing your abs, and you're also gonna be able to help out with those cravings, guys, because Greek yogurt is a nice little snack. If you're really trying to get freaky with your Greek yogurt, make sure I add some berries to it. And that's my first snack that I incorporate. Guys, another snack that I incorporate whenever I'm on my fat loss diet is my Legion cookie dough protein bars. I've never had anything that was a cookie dough flavor that wasn't good. Listen, so for all you ladies out there, I know y'all staying up late at night watching Love Island, having cookie dough ice cream, but nah, let's cut that out, all right? No shade, no shade. But listen, man, make sure you guys try the Legion cookie dough protein bars, guys. This is the thing, they're very convenient. I'm on the go a lot, I'm always moving around, and I start to have cravings. So I always reach and I'll grab a Legion cookie dough bar. It takes care of my cravings for when I want that chocolatey snack, but also, guys, it provides me with like 20 to 25 grams of protein, so that way I can really build muscle. So I highly recommend, guys, if you're someone who has a sweet tooth, and also because you guys are watching this, use the code word CHIEF and you'll get 20% off. On top of when you buy one, the second one will be an additional 50% off, guys. And that's my second snack that I recommend whenever you're on a fat loss diet. Now, I know some of y'all are gonna love this. Anything with hummus. You guys love things with hummus. So I'm gonna do this for you guys. My third snack that I do is obviously consuming more vegetables, guys. You can do things such as celery, such as carrots, and guess what? You can dip it in hummus. Now, we wanna be careful because the hummus is a sauce and it can be high in fats, so we don't wanna consume too much hummus. But this is like a nice healthy snack because these are alternatives, right? We don't want you guys eating Doritos, Chick-fil-A, Big Backing all day. Big back. Okay, and you wonder why you got a fupa. And if y'all don't know what a fupa is, this is what a fupa is. Because we don't want you having a fupa, all right? That's what we don't want. We do not want you guys having a fupa. What veggies are gonna do for you guys? Your stomach is only so big and your stomach only has so much space, guys. So by consuming more veggies, and guys, if you need help, guys, if you need someone that can hold you accountable, because I know we all need it, man, click the first link in the description below, man. Book a consultation call with me, and I'm gonna help you guys out every single day. I have an online coaching system where I provide you guys with a meal plan and a workout plan. It's gonna help you get in the best shape possible, okay? Because to be honest, I'm tired of walking around seeing y'all with them fupas. Who said that? Listen, y'all, make sure I hit the like and subscribe button. Listen, I'm just a messenger, all right? I'm just a messenger. But make sure I book that call, man. And that's the third snack that I do. Guys, the fourth snack that I recommend, guys, are hard-boiled eggs. Pause. I used to be really big on eggs because I actually used to play Division I football, and we used to always have workouts at like 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. So like when the morning time, I just needed some quick protein. Something I would do is I would literally boil like 10 eggs. And then when I wake up in the morning, I would like grab 2 every morning and eat them. Now, are you gonna be a little gassy? Maybe. But it's a really effective way to really get protein, and also to really make sure you're not consuming too many fats. And if you want, guys, you can get the yolk. So you can cut the yolk out and just consume the egg white. If you want to be super healthy, you can cut the yolk part, which is the yellow part of it, cut that out, and then just eat around the egg, which is the egg white. And you'll have to definitely like consume more than 2 eggs because you'll be getting less calories if you just do the egg white. But I highly recommend that. And man, if y'all want to get really nasty with it.
What do you mean by that?
Crazy work, you know what I mean? I highly recommend, guys, putting an avocado in there. Ain't nothing like a boiled egg and an avocado, y'all. But y'all put a little Himalayan salt and black pepper on it. It's gonna go crazy, man. Y'all know I ain't never lied to y'all. Put some pepper on there. Free game. Listen, guys, if y'all watch the video, you guys like the gems I'm giving you guys. If I've left out some snacks right now, please comment below and let me know the healthy snack that you consume other than Doritos, all right? So listen, guys, my fifth snack is almonds, pumpkin seeds, and walnuts, guys. I know how some of y'all are. Oh, we can eat that? We can eat that? And then y'all eat the whole bag.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
It still has fats in it, okay, guys? Because at the end of the day, guys, in order to lose weight, you need to be in a calorie deficit. So if you're shooting over your calories, then guess what? You're gonna gain weight. So it's really, really important that you make sure that you're being mindful. I went through a phase in my life where I really used to love and really enjoy almonds, guys. The reason why I love almonds, it's so high in protein that you really build a lot of muscle. And remember, guys, we're on a calorie deficit, so we are losing weight. And we wanna make sure that we're losing fat and not losing that much muscle. Because if you're losing a ton of muscle, you're gonna look like a weird, skinny, fat twig, okay? That's how some people wonder like how I've been able to maintain the physique that I have, how I've been able to put so much muscle on, is because even when I am on my calorie deficit, I still keep my protein up high. Listen, guys, if you are unaware of like how much you need to consume on a daily basis to like lose weight, gain weight, or just even maintain your weight, I'm gonna put a free link in the description below, guys, for a macro calculator. It's gonna tell you how much you need to consume on a daily basis. So make sure I click that link, okay? Yes, sir, guys. Listen, man, those are the 5 snacks. If I didn't mention it just now, that means your big back behind is not supposed to be eating it, okay?
I mean, it's all right. Like, overrated as in my opinion. I mean,
and chances are, if you're enjoying your food too much, that probably means you shouldn't be eating it, okay? So be very mindful of that. All right, guys, just be mindful of that and do your due diligence and do the best you can do. And remember, guys, it's a journey, okay? So don't try to sprint to this new life. It's gonna be too difficult to do, man. But listen, man, tap in. Click the first link in the description below, man. Book a call me online. I'm gonna train you guys virtually. I'm gonna provide you with a meal plan, a workout plan that's gonna help you get in the best shape possible. I know some of y'all are tired of having them food buzz. So if you're tired of having them food buzz, and if y'all got a problem with me, you can throw me out the window. But I know some of y'all are tired of having them fupas. And I point that way because my window's over there. But I know some of y'all are tired of having them fupas. So make sure y'all click the first link in the description below, man. Let's get y'all right. As usual, make sure y'all leave a like and comment below. And let me know what your favorite snack is. And let me know what your go-to is. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Don't forget, hey, listen, we going crazy, all right? We got the videos dropping each and every single week. We got like 2 videos coming out a day, man. Whether that's a short or a long form. And we going live. We're doing live workouts every single day. So make sure y'all stay tapped in, man. Make sure y'all subscribe. It's your boy Chief. We out. Yes, sir.